I got a baby. Dragon Balls. I got a baby I need to feed. It's not a stop sign for you. Go. There you go. Simple as that, right? It ain't rocket science, homie. Booty signs. It ain't booty signs either. God, man, why do people need gas so much? Put water in your cars. Let me get the gas. I got a baby. Dragon Balls. I got a baby I need to feed. God, that was fun. I wish I had a real cameraman. So they try to speed up and accelerate to catch up because you know homie was blazing. They couldn't. And the V4 isn't even in full mode yet. It's the lowest setting possible in the V4, and it gunned it. Man, this thing is a monster. He saw that instead of just turning. He was like, man, Mark, what you is? What you is on? She just walking like, hey man, this ain't a road, this is a park or a beach. That ain't like that. Man, I cannot wait until Broly's completed her training that I'm putting her through. And then after that, all we got is, you know, get like I need some good levers on here. So my launch could be better. How does it pull so much, man? It's like Nimbus. When I put her in Super Saiyan mode, basic mode, rain mode, she like eats it up, man. She eats it up. Why are we all waiting here for what? What we on, dog? What we waiting on? I'm gonna have to stop. Ooh, what is that? Thought I saw a girl twerking, but it was a dude walking his dog or a kid or whatever. Dragon Ball to the rescue! What up, homie? You in the truck like it, huh? Come get it! We handing out L's. No, I'm playing. We're not handing out anything. Those bikers, I should have ridden with them, but I was just in the zone so much, like me, Broly, me, we together kind of thing, that I just didn't care. And I had such a good run, like no traffic or anything on that road. I don't want to go again and ruin that. And like, I want to leave with a win. Leave with hitting some net. Leave with a splash. Leave with a bang. Like, you won the court, your last shot's got to go in before you leave. That kind of thing. And that road, if we had an amazing run, no traffic or anything, I want to keep it that way. I know if I'm going to turn around, I'm going to get hit with traffic. I don't want to do that. I don't want to leave that taste in my mouth. It was perfect too, you know. I had that. Let's see the brakes. Perfect. Not really, because I can't press the brake all the way. I'm still breaking the brake in. Mug. Why does she jerk so much? It's because I'm short shifting probably. But my little Nimbus doesn't do that. I wonder why. I should have ridden with them. That would have been a picture perfect ending. But I was feeling it too much. Me and Broly were one too much. That I just had to blaze by him and keep the gunning. Man, I gotta make a left and I gotta be in this douche's lane. I'm not gonna cut you off, dog. If it was mi hombre, mi mexicana de hombre de mi mexicana. Why are you braking, man? That's why some people just don't belong. You know, if you live in a certain area, stay in that area. Don't explore. You know, stay wherever you are because it's meant for you. Like this person right here, meant for Arizona. Stay in Arizona. This is the road they would have been on in those riders. Kind of the reason I came back on the road. Low, but I don't like it at all. No. So we're gonna make a ton, turn right here. Habla de fuego. Now that's the big question. Would a big weird truck looking like that be faster or a Prius? I'm gonna go with the Prius because it has thicker tires than usual on it, and I'm pretty sure it has rims on there. But he's from Detroit Lions. Like seriously, who supports the Lions? She's talking to herself. So I'm gonna go with a gut feeling that Prius in this case will be faster. Not gonna lie, Prius looks good, better than normal Priuses with the fat tires. Come on, Prius. I got my ass on you. They're head to head. Come on, Prius. This truck barely runs. my god, you are such ass, Prius. Oh, Prius, you are such ass. Know what I mean? Baldy, who's staring at me but not really staring at me. Final stop and pop. Is that a Hemi behind us? I mean, El Gato de Perro de Monte Carlo? Who knows? Prius, you are such ass. Truck, I apologize. Should have been behind you and your stank ass. I just believed in the Prius because of certain modifications, but in the end, what did we learn? Prius is straight trash, alright? Straight trash. Never trust it, alright? Never trust it. Trust the sales, homie bear. Trust the sales, homie bear. That was a Mr. Popo from DBZ coming out on us. But we're not riding raw, we're just riding them streets. We ain't ripping anything because we good boys. Because I am a good boy. That's how I do my thing. That's what they're looking at. Shotty, they call me the big dog. I love chasing pussycats. More riders. Guantanamo. What's that Cuban song? Guantanamo something? Get something. Get out of something like that. Scream it. Cause you earned it, Broly. You earned it. Dude's transporting what is that, a fridge? Washer? Dryer? That do not look secure, homie. If he was a real man, he'd carry it, man. He'd carry it like a man. Like a man's man. Like a manly man. Like a man's man. Like a manly man's man. But we got a homie up there zooming. Not really. But I'm gonna show him that my baby Broly's blossoming, her flowers blooming. There you go. My little Broly's flowers blooming. I gotta run around and rock around now. Oh my god, man. Both of you guys, douchebags. Please swap lanes, or I'm gonna do a dirty cut. I saw you zoom. You don't do that on my streets. No, I'm on these streets. Broly's a baby and you bitch slapped her. That's a no-no. God damn, that's a no-no. Calm down, baby girl. She doesn't understand a lot of stuff, so I gotta explain it to her. Oh, he's spreading them legs. I thought she was only topless, but that was the color of her shirt. Matched the color of her skin. Dirty man, man, dirty man. I could ride a lot more, but I grew up in Stratham, body testing. But I'm happy with the miles I put on her. Consuela de amiga. Consuela de amiga, por favor. Habla español. Consuela. Consuela. Off the growl. Growl de brule. Super fuego. Fuego y fuego. Fuego, consuela de fuego. Fuego, fuego, fuego. is Roddy Insane. Remember to subscribe when because you love them because I love you. What I'm just trying to say is that live life, man. You don't know how short it is. Have some fun, do stuff out there, experience things. Don't just watch me do stuff. Go out there and do some stuff for yourself too. I love life, I'm enjoying life, and I wouldn't change anything.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be